they are once they're all finished. And I am very, very pleased with how they both turned out. So first of all, here is the Funny Feet ice cream up close. It's very, very soft. Not so much slow rising, but it is soft. I think this turned out really good. I think it looks a lot like the actual ice cream. I probably made mine just a little bit thinner, but that's perfectly fine. And you see that I also added on the little logo onto the stick, just for some extra detail. I'm really pleased with how that turned out. So you saw that I just drew that on with a pen. And I've actually never had this ice cream before. But hopefully one day I'll get to try it, because I just think this design is very hilarious, and I'm just very curious as to what this ice cream is like. So yeah, this is one that I haven't tried before. But yeah, I think the shape turned out really good, and also really like the colour of it as well. I think it looks really accurate to the real one. Also, probably could have smoothed it out a bit more on the back, but again, that's fine. And then here is the Magnum ice cream up close, and I have had a Magnum ice cream before, actually quite a few times. I absolutely love them. And this one is just the classic Magnum, but it's up to you which one you want to make. This is a little bit slow rising. Oh, it's actually quite slow rising on the edges or on the sides. Hopefully you can see that. And you see that I also added the words or the details to the lolly stick on this one as well. And I also added the M. Again, I think it looks really similar to the actual one. Again, really like how the shape turned out. I think the colour looks really good as well. And this one I just added on just a bite mark just to show like the filling on the inside, or the ice cream on the inside. Yeah, this one is more slow rising compared to this one. But yeah, I'm super proud of how they both turned out. And again, I'm going to be making more of these squishies, because there's still more ice lolly and ice creams that I would like to make into squishies. So please stay tuned for more videos like this coming soon. Not sure how many more I'm going to make yet, but we'll see. And yep, I really hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you enjoyed them, please click thumbs up on this video and please subscribe to my channel. It would make me so happy if you did. And also, as always, my Instagram and my Etsy are both linked in the description box below. So please go and check those out as well if you are interested. And also, as always, please feel free to request any more squishy tutorials you'd like me to do in the comments below. I'm probably going to do another requested one next, so stay tuned. And yep, that's all I have to say. So I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.